Last month I made $2,000 with a simple technique with Capcut. If you don't know what is Capcut, it is a free, easy to use video editor software. Okay, make sure to watch this video until the end because I promise to share valuable information that you can't find anywhere. So let's get started. First of all, you have to have CapCut in your computer device. And to download it, you can find the link in description of this video or simply go to Google and type capcut.com. You can type capcut.com and this is the website. This is the website of Capcut.com and you can download it for your own operating system. My operating system is Windows and I can download it from here. Yes, it is downloaded. Okay, and after downloading you can install it and that's all. Now that you have CapCut in your device, let's see how we can earn. First of all, go to YouTube. In YouTube, you should find YouTubers. There are lots of different YouTubers who need editors for their videos, for their making their thumbnails, everything. Okay, you can search by niches like AI, money, podcast, every kind of video editing that you like to edit, or every YouTuber that you watches their videos, you can find them. Like I want to edit videos of real estate. Okay, real estate. Now this is a guy that made a video. Okay, we should go and to his YouTube.
You're a home buyer, somebody.
Yes, this is a real estate mindset. This is his channel, and we should find his email address, view email address. This is his email address. Okay, and we should then here is a captcha. We should done the captcha that we are not a robot. Then after submitting the captcha, this is his email address. Then we copy this email address. We need this email address of YouTubers. Then we create a Google Docs. Yeah. A blank document. In this document, this is the email address of this YouTuber, this guy. Let me see what is his name. I think his name is Ron. His name, then after his name is YouTube channel link. Okay, this is good. Next, find another YouTuber in this niche. Like I go to this YouTuber, I find this guy, and here is his email address. Then I will do the captcha. After the captcha I submit, and this is his email address. Okay, then again this is another he said my name is Javier Villadena. Yes, Javier, and then this is his YouTube channel. Okay, and copy his YouTube channel. you can find many YouTubers. There are many YouTubers who need editors, and you have to reach them because uh, if you don't reach them, they will go to Fiverr or any other freelancing platforms and find freelancers. But if you reach them and if you um, give them something for free, like I create a template here. I will share this template with you guys, and this is a template that I write, and you can use it. Like, hello content creator, like if this is the content creator's name, Javier Viadena. Okay, you can change the name of content creator and with this, hello Javier Viadena, and I'm sending you this quick message because I know for a fact that I can help improve your views and audience retention in both your short and long videos. And yes, you can say this thing, all that you can edit their videos and uh, everything you say about yourself, that you're an editor, you work for these guys. If you don't work, don't, it doesn't matter. You have to tell them this is easy. Okay, working as a YouTube editor is not a difficult job. Then you have to tell them that you create, I can work on a video for free for you. This is very uh, important because when you offer free thing to people, they there is more chance that they accept it. Okay, so uh, this is the template that you should write and send this to the uh, YouTubers. If you send this to hundreds of YouTubers, if you send this to thousands of YouTubers, you can do it. You should do it to find one of them. When you find uh, one YouTuber that accept to work with you, then it's the time for earning. It's time for earning after accepted, after you get accepted. So how if you don't know how to work with CapCut and you got accepted by one of the YouTubers and he asks you for the free video, then you can go to YouTube simply and here search for CapCut tutorial for beginners. There are hundreds of tutorials for beginners. You can easily learn this video editing software. So after getting accepted, you can charge about $50 to $100 per video. It means you only need to edit 20 to 40 videos to reach $2,000 goal per month. And the last step is, if you reach and email thousands of YouTubers and do this process, uh, it is a high chance that you get more offers, like 10 to 20 offers, or maybe more than that. Then you can create an agency like thing, and it's easy. You come to fiverr.com and you search for video editing for YouTube. Okay, there are freelancers who do this work for you. Then you are a connection between the freelancer and the YouTuber. Like, see, this freelancer charge about $10 for 5 minute video editing. Okay, you can reach to this guy and take the video from the YouTubers and edit by this guy, and like, you charge $100 and you pay for this guy uh, 10, 20 or $30. Okay, then the rest of the money is in your pocket, and this is a very good part of this work, I think. Okay, if you enjoy from this video, please thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.